This is part 2 for human body. Papota, 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 P-E-P-O-T-A, papota, papota, wow, papo, tailifta, papota, papota, papota. Some people say papota and some say papota. Okay, so it's up to you. In Urdu, papota. Okay, papota. Okay, it's really simple, but we never use this word. But just for general knowledge, I'm telling you. Knock, knock, knock. N-A-A-K, knock. Nun alif na, kaf, knock. Nun alif na, kaf, knock. Nathna, N-A-T-H-N-A, nathna, nathna. नून ते दो चश्मी है नून अलिफ नथ ना नथना. मुंह एम ओ ओ मुंह मुंह. मीम नून है मुंह मुंह. Haunt, 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 H-O-N-T, haunt, haunt. हेवा हो नून और टे, haunt, haunt. It's really difficult to pronounce because we normally say haunt, haunt. We never pronounce the word noon like we say haunt, haunt. Never say haunt. So it's really difficult to pronounce like an actual Urdu. So I'm sorry to say, but we sometime we use like this. So haunt, 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 haunt. Okay, so it's really simple. If you try again and again, you will pronounce like a native speaker. Daat, daat, daat. I hope it's really difficult for you. D-A-A-N-T, daat, daat, daat. Dal, alif, noon, te, daat, daat, daat. I know it's really difficult because I have also learned English like this, so it's really difficult for pronunciation, but you will listen again and again, so you will able to pronounce like a native speaker. Okay, so not to worry about it. It's really simple. Zaban, 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 Z-A-B-A-N, zaban, 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 zaban. थोड़ी, 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 T-H-O-R-I, थोड़ी. टे दो चश्मी है वाओ रे छोटी है थोड़ी, 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 थोड़ी. There are two Urdu for this word. Cheek, gal, gal. First one, gal, G-A-A-L, gal. It's normal Urdu. Gal, Kaf, Alif, Lam, Gal. But if you look at the poetry, so you will see this word in poetry, rukhsar. Rukhsar, 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 rukhsar. But don't say in casual language, in informal language, don't say, because we normally use gal in Urdu. Okay, rukhsar, rukhsar. When you want to emphasis, when you want to make impression, so you have to say rukhsar, so the other person will think you know Urdu. Okay, so rukhsar, re, khe, sin, alif, re, rukhsar, rukhsar. But one more thing I want to say, it's a girl name, it's also a girl name. Some girls name, Urdu girls name, Pakistani girls name like Rukhsar. So don't say in front of that girl whose name is Rukhsar and you are say, oh my Rukhsar. Don't say like this, okay? So it will it will difficult for you and they will beat you. Okay, so wait for part 3 and I will upload soon. Take care, bye. And before you go, please like and share this video and tell me how am I teaching. Please let me know. Allah Hafiz.